Hi, hello, welcome to KVR Mathematics Tutorials. How are you, friends, students, and my viewers? How are you? Okay, today I am going to explain the logarithmic, logarithm exercise 1.5 section 2. Okay, so 10th class lo manaki లాగరిథమ్స్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5 ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ మనకి రియల్ నంబర్స్ లో సెక్షన్ 1 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5 లో ఉన్నటువంటి సెక్షన్ 1 కంప్లీట్ చేసాం లాస్ట్ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో. సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే ఆ పార్ట్ 1 వీడియోని సెక్షన్ 1 వీడియోని నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను, ఒకసారి మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే. అలానే మీ కాన్సెప్ట్కి సంబంధించి కూడా ఇన్ కేస్ ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మీకు ఇస్తాను. పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2 ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకున్నవి కూడా. సో లాగరిథమ్స్ అనేవి కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్గా ఫీల్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు స్టూడెంట్స్. సో మనం మ్యాక్సిమం కూడా ఏంటంటే స్లోగా స్టూడెంట్కి డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తూ రన్ చేస్తున్నాం వీడియోస్ని. సో వన్స్ ఒకసారి చూడండి. మరి students and friends, please subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. అలానే మీరు బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మంది నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీరు సెట్ చేసుకునే పని లేకుండా నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది, వెంటనే మీరు వీడియోని వాచ్ చేయొచ్చు. స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, రెడీనా? మరి ఆర్ యు రెడీ? రైట్. Section 2. Exercise 1.5, Section 2. So, once observe here, write the following expressions as log n. Write the following expressions, as log n, and find their values wherever possible. So, మరి ఇక్కడ 2 log terms, 3 log terms, ఆర్ 4 లాగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటన్నిటిని కూడా ఒకే లాగ్ ఫామ్ గా ఫైనల్ గా మనం ఒకే లాగ్ ఫామ్ లోకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. సో ఒకే లాగ్ ఫామ్ లోకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. లాగ్ ఎన్ హియర్ గివెన్ లాగ్ ఎన్ బేస్ ఏ లాగ్ ఎన్. సో బేస్ ఎనీ బేస్. సో గివెన్ బేస్ లాగ్ ఎన్ ఫామ్ లోకి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ లాగ్ ఎన్ మీన్స్ సింగిల్ లాగరిథం గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. మనకి 2 టర్మ్స్ 3 టర్మ్స్ లాగ్స్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు సింగిల్ లాగరిథం గా ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి? సో దీనికోసం మనం లాగరిథం ఫార్ములే మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా మన మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి. ఎక్స్పెషల్లీ లాగరిథం 3 లాస్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి, లాస్ ఆఫ్ లాగరిథమ్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లా? ఫస్ట్ లా ఈస్ log x plus log y ఈక్వల్స్ టు log x into y, x into y. సో ప్లస్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటూ గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తాం. So that is first law. Second law is log x minus log y. Log x minus log y equals to log x by y. Log x by y. So minus ఉన్నప్పుడు by గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ m into log e. m into log a equals to log a power m. log కు ముందు ఉన్నటువంటి నంబర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, సో ఆ టర్మ్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే లాగ్ పొందినటువంటి నంబర్ని సో పవర్ లోకి మనం షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ లా ఆఫ్ లాగరిథం. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఫార్ములా, లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. లాగ్ వాల్యూ బేస్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి 1 అవుతుంది. లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. అలానే లాగ్ 1 టు ద బేస్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. log 1 to the base a. So log 1 to the any base ఏదైనా ఉండేవండి, log 1 వాల్యూ మాత్రం 0. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్, log 1 వాల్యూ 0. log a base a వాల్యూ 1 కి ఈక్వల్. log a base a వాల్యూ 1 కి ఈక్వల్. సో ఇవి చాలా మనకు మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములే మనకు బాగా యూస్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. సో రెడీనా? మరి ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేద్దామండి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం? So what is the first problem? So once read the first problem, log 2 plus log 5. First problem log 2 plus 5. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 2 లాగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 2 లాగ్ టర్మ్స్ ని మనం సింగిల్ లాగరిథం గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. ఫైనల్ గా మనకి ఒకే లాగ్ గా ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. సో వన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. సో log 2 plus log 5. How can we express that? So first one solution given log 2 plus log 5, that is given. Log 2 plus log 5, that is first. Okay, so this is log x plus log y form. Log x plus log y form. Log x plus log y means log x into y. Log x into y. Okay, so this is log x plus log y equals to log xy form. Okay, once observe here. This is the formula. This is in the form of log x plus log y equals to log xy form. Okay, so log xy. So therefore log 2 plus log 5 equals to log 2 plus log 5 equals to log. Okay, so here plus given. Plus ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం into గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. That means 2 into 5. So log 2 into 5. That means log 2 5 is 10. Log 2 5s are 10. Okay, so log 2, therefore log 2 plus log 5 equals to log 10. Students and friends, ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఓకే ఏంటంటే, సో ఇక్కడ మనం 10th స్టాండర్డ్ లో చేసే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్ ఆర్ బ్రిక్స్ లాగరిథమ్స్. Common logarithms or bricks logarithms. Common logarithm means what is common logarithm? Okay, if the base of the log is 10, then they are called common logarithms or bricks logarithms. Okay, have you understood? Okay, so log 10 base ఏమీ లేకపోతే 10 ఉన్నట్లే. So because these all are common logarithms, so base is 10. Okay, that means log 10 base 10 value how much? 1. Already I told okay, formula log a base a. Since here log a base a equals to 1, log value and base value are same, then the result is 1. Log 10 base 10 equals to 1. Okay, so don't forget log 10 value 1. Log 10 value because base is 10. Base మనకి ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే base is not given means base is 10 because common logarithms means base is 10. Okay, so log 10 base 10 value how much? 1. So therefore log 2 plus log 5 equals to 1. That is the required result. Have you understood, friends and students? Once observe here. Okay, so very simple. Just revise the formula once. Revise the logarithmic formula. Okay, so formulas ni revise cheskondi, will get the results. Very simple. Okay, right? Okay, next question number 2. Okay, so the second one given log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, so once observe here also 2 logs given. 2 logs given and between minus symbol. So 2 logs given and between minus symbol. So log x minus log y form. Log x minus log y means log x by y. Okay, so here write this is in the form of Okay, in the form of this is in the form of log x base a minus log y base a. Log x base a minus log y base a. So log x minus log y means log x by y. Log x by y to the base a. Okay, so here between minus symbol is given. Minus symbol is given means minus becomes to divide by. Divide by. So minus becomes to divide by. Write only single logarithm. So but write divide by log x by y base a. Okay. So log x base a minus log y base a equals to log x by y base a. Okay. So this is in the form. Next, so therefore log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, what is that value? That equals to log 16 by 2 base 2. Log 16 by 2. Okay, x by y form. X by y means, okay, so 16 by 2. X by y means 16 by 2. So log 16 by 2 base 2 to once 2 8s get cancelled. 2 8s get cancelled. Okay, so log x base a minus log y base a equals to log x by y base a. So 2 table cancellation. 2 ones 2 8s get cancelled. 2 ones 2 8s. So log 8 base 2. What is that? Log 8 base 2. Log 8 base 2. So log 8 base 2. Right? Okay. So log 8 base 2. Right? Enough. So this is a single logarithm. This is a single logarithm. So log 8 base 2. Just enough. Okay. Single logarithm ga manam final ga express cheyali. So akkada 2 logs unna 2 log terms aina 3 log terms aina, okay, if any 4 logarithm terms, then you will convert only single logarithm. Okay, logarithm ga convert cheyali. So log 8 base 2 enough. Okay, so log 8 base 2, that is the second one result. Have you understood? Okay, so okay, right? Next, question number 3. Third question. Next, question number 3. Given three log 4 base 64. 3 log 4 base 64. That is given. That is question number 4. Okay, right? So very very simple. So once observe here. Once revise the third formula of logarithm. Logarithm third rule. Okay. So m log a. M log a means log a power m. M log a means log a power m. Okay. So once observe here. This is in the form of. This is in the form of. This is in the form of. Okay. M into log a. M into log a equals to log a power m. Okay, this is in the form of m into log a form. M into log a means log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. Okay, so therefore apply that formula. 3 log 4 base 64 equals to. Okay, so log 4 cube base 64. Okay, so if before 3 ni power lo shift chesam, so before 3 convert to the power. Okay, so log 4 cube base 64. Log 4 cube base 64. So that equals to 4 cube log 4 cube value. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4 64. So log 64 base 64. Log 64 base 64 value. How much? 1. Because log A base A equals to 1. Log A base A equals to 1. So that equals to 1. Log 64 base 64 value 1. Okay. Since right here, since log A base A equals to 1. That is the result. Okay. So log 64 base 64 value how much? 1. That is the required result. Right? Okay. So therefore 3 log 4 base 64 value how much? 1. Have you understood? Okay. Next to fourth one. Okay. Next to fourth one. Next, Roman number 4, given 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Given 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Okay. So, first of all, apply the third formula of logarithm. M log A can be expressed log A power m, because log before coefficients given. Log, okay, log having here coefficients. So 2 is the coefficient here. Here 3 is the coefficient. Okay, log coefficient. So first of all express, okay, log A power m form. M log A equals to log A power m. So one substitute here. So first of all apply. Okay, that implies to log 3 power 2. Log 3 square. Okay, m log A equals to log A power m form minus log 2 cube. Okay, m log A equals to log A power m form. Okay, so since right here m into log A equals to log A power m, third law of logarithm. Okay, so into m ఉన్నప్పుడు కోఎఫిషియంట్ మనం పవర్ ఫామ్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో m into log A equals to log A power m, right? Okay, so log this is 3 square minus log 2 cube. So that implies to log 3 square means 9 minus log 2 cube means 8. Log 2 cube value 8 అవుతుంది. Okay, so that implies to log, this is log A log x minus log y form. Log x minus log y means log x by y form. Okay, so log 9 by 8. Okay, since log x minus log y equals to log x by y. Log x by y, that is the formula. So logs between minus symbol that can be expressed as by, divide by. So log x minus log y equals to log x by y. That is the second law of logarithm. So log 9 by 8. Log 9 by 8. So that is the required value. Okay, so single logarithm. Finally we have to get a single logarithm. Therefore 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 equals to log 9 by 8. Log 9 by 8. So 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 can be expressed as log 9 by 8. That is the required. Okay, that is the required value. Log 9 by 8. So this is the fourth one solution. Okay, have you understood? Okay, next, fifth one. Fifth one. So fifth question, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, that is the fifth question. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. That is the fifth question. So solution, fifth one solution, given log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so that is given log 10 minus plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So once observe the each and every term here. Here 3 log terms given. 3 terms given. First term, second term, third term. Okay. So first of all, express the 3 terms in standard form. Standard form means log 10 in standard form, minus log 2 in standard form. But 2 log 3, this is log 3 having here coefficient 3. Coefficient is 2. Coefficient is 2. So this is m log a. Okay, that is m log a. M log a means, how can you express m log a? Log a power m. Okay, first of all, expressing that. So log 10 plus log 3 square minus log 2. Okay, according to the third law of logarithm, m log a means log a power of m. Okay, express here that formula since log m log a. So m into log a equals to log a to the power of m. M into log a equals to log a to the power of m. Okay, apply that formula. So 2 log 3 means log 3 square. That can be expressed as log 3 square. So that implies to, okay, log 10 plus log 3 square means 9 minus log 2. Okay, 3 square value 9. So log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. Okay, so first of all, consider first 2 terms. 2 terms first of all consider change. Okay, so this is log a plus log b form. First 2 terms are log a, log x plus log y form. Log x into y. So in between plus symbol. So that can be expressed as into single, as a single logarithm. So according to the first formula, log 10 into 9 minus log 2. Okay, once observe. So first 2 terms, here take the first 2 terms. Only consider first 2 terms. Log x plus log y. Log x plus log y means log x into y formula. Okay, that is the first law of logarithm. So right here, since log x plus log y equals to log x into y, log xy. First law of logarithm. Okay, so log x into y. So that means 10 into 9. 10 into 9. So that implies to log 10 nines are 90 minus log 2. 10 nines are 90 minus log 2. Okay, again, okay, we will observe here log a minus log b form. Log x minus log y form. Otherwise, log x minus log y. That means log x by y. So in between minus symbol. So minus means minus becomes to divide by according to second formula. So that implies to log 90 by 2. Log 90 by 2. X by y. So since right here, since log x minus log y equals to log x by y. Log x by y, that is the second law of logarithm. So minus ఉన్నప్పుడు by గా చేంజ్ చేయాలి. So log 90 by 2. Log 90 by 2. 2 table cancellation. 2 ones, 2 45 cancel. 2 ones to 45 get cancel. Okay. So log 45. Oh. So therefore, okay, log 10. Conclusion, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 equals to, okay, log 45. Log 45. Okay, right? So that is the fifth one result. fifth one solution. This is the fifth one solution. Okay, have you understood? Okay, so this is fifth one solution. Next, section 3. Next to section 3 problems. Continuation, right? Okay. Okay, friends, third section, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. Okay, evaluate each and every term. Okay, so x and y, if it is given x equals to log 3 base 2, x ఉన్న place లో log 3 base 2 ని and y value is log 5 base 2 given. X value is log 3 base 2 and y value is log 5 base 2 given. Okay, so first of all log 15 base 2. First one is log 15 base 2. So log 15 base 2 can be expressed only in log x base 2, x and y terms only. ఈ log 15 base 2 ని xy terms లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. ఫైనల్ గా మన ఆన్సర్ x and y లో రావాలి. ఓకే, సో x and y లో మనకి కాంబినేషన్ లో మనకి x plus y or x minus లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, కాంబినేషన్ లో మనకి రావాలి ఆన్సర్ గా. ఓకే, సో x వాల్యూ ఇస్ log 3 base 2 and y వాల్యూ ఇస్ log 5 base 2. సో ఇలాంటి కేసెస్ మనం కామన్ గా ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేసుకుంటే మాక్సిమం మనం ఆ వాల్యూ రావడానికి మనకు ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, నంబర్ ని ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆర్ యు రెడీ? సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్ గివెన్ log 15 base 2, that is given. Log 15 base 2, that is given, right? Okay, so that equals to log 15 means 3 into 5. Express the product of the prime factors. Express the product of the prime factors. Okay, so express the product of the prime bases. Prime bases గా కూడా మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో 15 మీన్స్ 3 into 5 base 2. 15 means 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so that equals to, this is log x into y form. Log x into y. Log x into y means what is the first law of logarithm? Log x plus log y. Log xy equals to log x plus log y, right? Okay, so log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. It can be expressed as, okay, since right here, since log xy equals to log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Log x into y means x log x plus log y. Okay, that is the formula. Okay, so that equals to log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2, how can we express? Already given. Log 3 base 2 means what is the value? X. Log 3 base 2 value, it is equals to x. Already given. Okay, given in the statement. So log 3 base 2 means x plus log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2, how can we express? Already given. Log 5 base 2 value y equal. So express here y. So x plus y. So the final result is in terms of x and y. That is the required term. The final result is expressed, okay, in x and y. So here, so maximum we'll try the factorization. Okay, the given number expressed in prime factorization form. Okay, so x plus y. This is log 15 base 2. Log 15 base 2 equals to how much? X plus y. That is the first one solution. Have you understood? Okay, so one subset here. Step to step one subset. Okay, right? So this is the first one solution. So the second one subset, log 7.5 base 2. Second one solution, log 7.5 base 2. Log 7.5 base 2. Right? Okay. So log 7.5 base 2 means that is given. So log 75 by 10 base 2. Okay. So point is eliminated. Point after only one decimal. One decimal means just you take only 1 0. That means 1 after 1 0. That means 10 only. Okay. So 75 by 10. It can be expressed as 5 table cancellation. 5 2s 5 1s 5 5s. 15 by 2. So log 15 by 2 base 2. So that equals to log 15 by 2 base 2 means log 15 by 2 base 2. Log 15 by 2 base 2. Okay. So this is log x by y form. Second formula. Log x by y. Log x by y means log x minus log y. Second formula. Okay. So that equals to log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. Log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay. So here applying that, since log x by y equals to log x minus log y. That is the second formula of logarithm. Log x by y equals to log x minus log y. Okay. So log 15 by 2 means log 15 minus log 2. Okay. So that equals to, once observe here, 15 also can be expressed as 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay. So log 3 into 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value 1 only. Log 2 base 2 value 1 only. So this is 1. What is the reason? Since log a base a equals to 1. That is the reason. Log 2 base 2 equals to 1. Why? What is the reason? Log 2 base 2 means 1 only. So log 2 base to 1. Log 15 can be expressed as 3 into 5. 15 can be expressed as 3 into 5. Okay. So that equals to log x into y means this can be expressed as log x plus log y. So log x plus log y. Log 3 plus log 5. So base 2 minus 1. So this is log x into y. X into y means log x plus log y. Log xy means log x plus log y. So since right here, since log xy equals to log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Because log x into y form. X into y means log x plus log y. Okay. Log 3 base 2 value how much? Log 3 base 2 given already x. Log 5 base 2 value y. So here that equals to log this is x only. This is only x. X plus y minus 1. Log 3 base 2 value x. Log 5 base 2 value y. So minus 1. X plus y minus 1. Therefore log 7.5 base 2 equals to x plus y minus 1. That is the required answer. Okay. Once observe the steps one by one. Have you understood this one? Have you understood? Finally, okay, we will get x and y terms only. X and y terms only. Okay. So, have you understood? Okay. Thank you. Next problem, third problem. Next third problem. Next, third one. Solution given log 60 base 2. Third question. Given log 60 base 2. Log 60 base 2. That is given. Okay. So first of all, express 60 in the product of the prime factors. Product of the prime factors express చేసుకోండి. Okay. So 60 can be expressed as 60 means once observe 60, 2 table, 2 30s, 2 table, 2 15s, 3 table, 3 5s. Okay. So that means that implies to log 60 base 2 equals to the log 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. Once observe here. Okay. So 60 మీరు ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు 2 square into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Okay. 60 can be expressed as so log 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 base 2. So that equals to once observe here. This is log x into y into z. ఇంటూ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫార్ములా మనకి ప్లస్ గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా అదే మనకి log xy means log x plus log y. log xyz. log xyz means log x plus log y plus log z. సో ఇంటూ వచ్చినప్పుడు అలా ప్లస్ గా సపరేట్ అవుతుంది log. సో log 2 square plus log 3 power 1 plus log 5. Okay. Log x into y into z. So log x into y into z means log x plus log y plus log z. Okay. So once observe here formula since log x y z equals to log x plus log y plus log z. Okay. That is the formula. Okay. 3 terms ఏ కాదు ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మనకి ఆ ఫార్ములా ప్లస్ గానే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. log pqrs log p plus log q plus log r plus log s. Okay. Same way. So that equals to log 2 square. Log 2 square. 2 square means this can be expressed as 2 log. Here base is 2. Here base is 2. So base is 2 means this is log a power m form. Log a power m form. Log a power m means m log a. M log a. That means 2 into log 2 base 2. So power, okay, power ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. So 2 into log 2 base 2 plus log 3 plus log 5 base 2 base 2. Here also base 2. Here also base 2. Right? Okay. So that equals to 2 into log 2 base 2 value 1. Log a base a value 1. Okay. So 2 into 1. This one 2 into 1 plus log 3 base 2 value. Log 3 base 2 means one subject here given. Log 3 base 2 value x equal. X, this is x plus log 5 base 2 means this is y. Y. So that equals to 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus x plus y. Okay. 2 1s are 2. Log 2 base 2 value 1 plus log 3 base 2 x. Log 5 base 2 y. So 2 plus x plus y. Okay. So this is therefore this is log 60 base 2 value. Log 60 base 2 value. Right? Okay. Right. Once observe the steps. Once observe here. Step to step. Have you understood? Okay. Here also write there. Since here log a power m means log a power m means m log a. Log a power m means m log a. Okay. Write this one also. Okay. Right. Have you understood? Okay. Next, Okay, ready now? Okay, next to last problem in this section, last problem, fifth problem, log 6750 base 2, log 6750 base 2, that is the last problem. Given log 6750 base 2, log 6750 base 2, that is given. Okay, so here also same, expressing in prime factorization. Okay, product of the prime factorization 6750. Okay, so divide with the prime number. Okay, 2 3 5 like that. So 6750 means, so 6750 here 2 table cancellation, 2 table dividing with 2 first, dividing with 2. So 2 3s are 6, next 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s. Okay, again so here 2 table not divisible because units place is here 5, 5 means odd number. So divide with 5 directly. So divide with 5. 5 6s are 30. So 3 is remainder 37. 5 7s 35. 5 5s. Again 5 table. So 5 table 5 1s are 5. Okay. So 1 remainder 17. 5 3s 5 5s. Okay. Next again 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. Next 3 table 3 9s. Next 3 table 3 3s. Okay, have you understood? Once observe here. First 2, okay, divide with 2 first. Okay, because units place is even number. So 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 7s, 2 5s. Next 5 table 5 6s are 30. So 3 remainder 37. 3 7s are 35. So 5 5s 25. Next 5 table 5 1s. Next 17 5 3s are 15. So that means 5 5s. Next 5 2s are 10, 5 7s. So 3 9s, 3 3s. So that implies to log 6750 base 2 equals to log base 2. 6750 means so 2 just only one time. Just one time. So 2 power 1 into, okay, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 3 times, that means 5 cube. So 5 cube into 3 cube. 5 cube into 3 cube. Okay, it can be expressed as. So that equals to, this is log x into y into z. Log x into y into z means log x plus log y plus log z form. Okay, so plus form, that means log 2 base 2. So log x plus log y plus log z. Log 5 cube base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2. So log x into y into z means log x plus log y plus log z form. Okay, so express here formula since log x y z equals to log x plus log y plus log z. Okay, xyz means log x plus log y plus log z. Okay, so that equals to log 2 base 2 value 1 only. Log 2 base 2, log a base a equals to 1. So log 2 base 2 also 1 plus, next, so log 5 cube base 2. So this is log a power m. Log a power m means third formula m log a. M log a. That means 3 log 5. 3 log 5 base 2 plus. So this is also log a power m. So 3 log 3 base 2. 3 log 3 base 2. Okay. So since right here log a power m means m log a. That is the formula. Okay, third formula of logarithm, log a power m equals to m log a. Apply that formula. Okay, so that equals to 1 plus 3 into log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2 value y. Log 5 base 2 value 3 into y. 3y plus, so 3 into log 3 base 2 value. Log 3 base 2 means x. So, okay, so 1 plus 3y plus 3x. So, express in order. So, 3x plus 3y plus 1. 3x plus 3y plus 1. Okay, so therefore, log 6750 base 2. Log 6750 base 2 equals to 3x plus 3y plus 1. Okay, so friends and students and my viewers, this is the second and third section problems. ఈ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ సెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఓకే రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. సో ఇన్ కేస్ డౌట్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ మై వ్యూవర్స్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. ఓకే, సో అలాగనే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగనే కామెంట్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Thank you for watching. Thank you.